Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the finest and most creative wedding card design that make your big day even more special. Today I am thrilled to showcase 4 stunning wedding cards that are sure to steal your hearts. Let's dive in. First up, we have this elegant blue pull-out card. Look at that beautiful combination of colors, a graceful purple bride dress and the dashing groom in a suit. But wait, the magic happens when you slide it. See how the bride gracefully slides toward the groom, revealing the card's stunning details inside. This card is perfect for couples who want a playful yet elegant touch to the invitation. Next, we have this gorgeous purple card, truly a masterpiece of elegance. This design is perfect for dashing couples looking to combine a traditional vibe with a touch of modern sophistication. The detailing and rich color make this card an ideal choice for any wedding theme. If you want a timeless and a classy invitation, this card has you covered. Now let's move to something truly luxurious. Here is a premium green card specially designed for Sikh weddings but loved by everyone for its sheer elegance. This card has a unique strap that slides out effortlessly. Once opened, it's revealed two tightly flat inserts in pristine white, beautifully complementing the dark green background. The premium feel of this card is unmatched. Trust me, you have got to try this one. It's a timeless masterpiece that will leave your guest in a. Last but definitely not least, let me introduce you to our King card, our bestseller that has already won the hearts of over 1 lakh happy customers. The light pink card radiates the bride beautiful dress and the groom dashing look create a perfect story. And when the bride slides toward the groom, the card opens to reveal the wedding details in a mesmerizing layout. This card is truly the epitome of grace, and it's easy to see why it is loved by so many. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope you love this stunning design as much as I enjoy showcasing them. If you'd like to order any of these cards or explore more of our collection, feel free to call or WhatsApp us at 8264493697. We would love to make your wedding invitation as special as your big day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for amazing designs. See you next time. Take care.